Hello and welcome to WPForms. In this short tutorial, we're going to learn all about and how to use the User Journey add-on by WPForms. The User Journey add-on works in the background and allows you to see the path that users take on their journey through your site before they get around to filling out and submitting a form. In other words, if enabled, the User Journey add-on can track where your visitors came from, which pages on your site they visited, and how long they were there before they navigated to your contact form, filled it out, and submitted it. With that said, let's jump right in. After logging in and installing the WPForms plugin, we'll need to install and activate the User Journey add-on. We can do this by going to WPForms, Add-ons, and scrolling down until you find the User Journey add-on. Click Install Add-on and wait for the status to change to active. Now that the add-on has been activated, all future form submissions will include the user journey information in the entry details. So let's open a new window to test it out. We'll go to our site's homepage, browse around a few pages before navigating to our contact form to submit a test entry. Once the entry has been submitted, we can go into the Entries page and view the details at the bottom of the page. You'll be able to see where the user's journey began, like if they came directly to your site, or were referred via a link from a different website, and what pages they navigated through before they ended up on the page that contains your contact form, filled it out, and submitted it. The User Journey add-on also provides the date and time that these visits occurred and how much time a user spent on each page, whether it was a few seconds or a few minutes or more before proceeding. The last line of data will give you a brief summary of the user's journey. In other words, how many steps the user took before completing your form over what period of time. The User Journey add-on is a great way to learn more about your users and how they interact with your website, like which pages they visited and how much time they spent there. This can help you better craft your site's content, which can help you collect more leads and convert them into paying customers. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to use the User Journey add-on by WPForms. If you have any questions or concerns, please be sure to visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, which has step-by-step written instructions for all of our features and add-ons. If you need any extra technical help, please go to our contact page and reach out to our support team. Hey everybody, this is Daisy with WPForms. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where I can show you how to build smarter forms with WPForms through our how-to videos and more.